Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is from Skilled Career Team. We have an active course called AI Engineering for Professionals, which is going to start on 31st of January. And this is targeted for people who are having no experience in IT industry. And the course spans for 16 weeks, and it's targeted for packages of 20 lakhs and above. So, to give a brief, in this video, we're going to cover about the demand that's there in the industry for AI related activity. So let's go into details for this. Now, if you guys are familiar with Notebook LLM, this is a analysis tool which is offered by Google. It helps you act as a researching kind of a tool where you can dump in all the necessary information and then you can ask any queries. Okay, on those lines, here you could see these are the sources that I have added. uh, so it could be the latest reports from topmost consultant companies, from job reports, from Microsoft, LinkedIn. CNCF is a Kubernetes related cloud native foundation. PwC is a biggest what you call a consulting company. So these guys, what they will do is they will publish a report on a periodic basis to identify the trends that are happening in the industry. I have collated all of them, and irrespective of whatever the course that we are teaching here, you could see here there is nowhere it's mentioned about AI or whatever that is. It just mentions that whatever the report that they publish, I have just used them as a resource. Now in this tool, I can ask the query, whatever the query that I have. It will go through all these documents. It's a ALLM tool, basically, practical application of a ALLM tool. It will go through all this documentation and then it will understand the query that I have put in, and it will respond me back with the suitable responses. So now we are using this method to really understand how the demand is there, so that how our course is going to benefit you. So that's the reason we are going to make this video. Now you can see here this report has summarized all of this data, and then I will just start with a basic question. What is the biggest demand in the industry? So I have nowhere mentioned about anything about AI or anything about LLM, anything about machine learning or etc. It's just the simple question out of that I'm going to post in, and what this tool, as I mentioned earlier, it will go through all this report and then it will respond back to me. So now it is going through all the pages, it's understanding the relevance, reviewing the content, and it's going to give back a response to me. So now you can see here the demand for AI is on the rise. So that's the first response that we received. So cool. AI literacy, most in demand tech skill of 2025. There is a sharp surge in the demand for AML professionals on a 25% year-on-year basis. See here. So it could be trainers, data specialists, security specialists, AI agent specialists. So now the demand for digital labor, 45% of leaders, etc., etc., etc. We will not get into the details of whatever that it is. We are just going to query it as much as possible. So now I will just, what exactly is in demand in AI and ML? That's what it mentioned, right? So it is asking for AI literacy, and as a student or a non-IT person, what is my learning journey should be, and what are some tools and technologies which I should be focusing on. So here you can see I'm just asking it, what exactly do you want me to learn within AI and ML? Since it mentioned that, hey, it's in demand, right? So now again, it will go through all the detail. It will go through all this knowledge base, and then it will come up with a response. Uh, let's see what the response is going to be. So there is a massive surge in demand. AI professionals, AI agent specialist, AI trainers and data specialist, agent bosses, and shift your mindset, master manage agent management skills. Prompt engineering is also in demand. Refinement and validation. Phase one. So basically, phase one is more of like a shifting the mindset. Phase two is more of like agent management skills, and phase three is more of like double down on the human strengths. So let's see. In general productivity and business tools, these are some AI related SaaS offerings that companies are doing. Uh, Here you can see they are asking us to pick up on inference engines, NVIDIA, Triton, DeepSeek, TensorFlow serving, orchestration, agentic AI, MCP, and LMS stack, Llama stack. So, career essentials for generative AI, recommended educational courses. They are giving some XYZ courses. So now, uh, list me the tools which I exactly need to learn to become an AI engineer, and what will be my average salary if um, okay, so in Indian rupees as a AI engineer. So again, it's going to go through all these reports. It's trying to understand what exactly is the my query. It's going to map it, and it's going to respond back to me. Let's see. So to become an AI engineer, these are some inference engines that they're asking us to learn: ML orchestration related things, agentic AI related things, A to A related things, agentic to agent. Yeah, average salary for an India, it's going to be, we cannot, with the provided emphasis on etc. They do not have provide specific numerical average salary. It's okay, but they're saying that there is a huge 25% year on year, within which these areas are having highest earnings, highest rise in the demand, and they saw a total 22% rise. 68% of Indian CEOs are planning to increase their headcount. So now we have made it clear that even I didn't ask anything to it about AI, but it went through all these reports and then it gave me uh, the demand that's there in the market. Now we will so that now we will compare this kind of a report with exactly in the Naukri. So we'll log into the Naukri and then I'll just ask it some related things. In this course, you are going to learn a lot of jobs, a lot of technology, which are let me tell you what kind of jobs you will be able to apply for. So once this course is completed, you are going to be learning. So yeah, just a second. Who should enroll and the jobs you'll be able to apply for. Tools, course and contents, course features. Just a second. What kind of roles? Yeah, so I'm sorry, it's been too much. So job roles you can pursue: AI systems engineer, AI engineer, LLM ops engineer, agentic engineer, and GenAI architect. We'll just go through all these roles, how the demand is in the industry by looking at the Naukri as a available vacancies as of now. Uh, yeah. So now I just typed in AI engineer. You can see the AI engineer, there are 50,000 job vacancies that are there, out of which like 10 to 15 uh, so out of which there are the salary range is something like this. You can see 3 to 6 lakhs, there is 23,000 vacancies, 6 to 10 lakhs. This is like not accurate, but it gives us an estimate. 6 to 10 lakhs, there are 31,000, 10 to 15, there are 16,000. Beyond that, as you can see in the numbers, and within which, if you see that the topics that they are focusing on, it's on Kubernetes, continuous integration, data, CI/CD, These are the same things that you're going to be taught in the course. So that's the specialty of this course. You can see Python, data pipelines, AI LLMs, simulation, machine learnings. Let's open any one of the course so that we are clear what exactly we are going to learn. As you can see, this has been posted 6 days ago, but the challenge here is there is a lot of people who are not yet capable of applying. Also, you can see there are currently 5 openings in this company, and then the technologies that they're asking for is LangChain, GenAI, LangGraph, RAG, Python, RDS, LLMs. These are the same set of tools. If you go and look in this website, you can find all these kind of topics that are going to be taught. Now, then what exactly are they expecting? Let's get into the details. So in this, they have given an overview what they want us to do. So it is also intended to increase transparency. The job description, yeah, let's see that build and operate agentic Pythonic workflows. This is something that you're going to learn. Implement tool call functionings with schema validations and etc. Develop RAG, that's also you're going to learn. Develop EKS and ECS. AWS Bedrock, you're going to learn in this video, in this course. Ensure observability, yes. So all majority of the contents that are listed in this particular job responsibilities you are going to learn, and this is applicable for 4 to 6 years of AML of engineer. So that's the beauty of this course. Even though it spans over a bit of a longer time, generally any course that's there in the market is hardly about 2 months or 1 month or some 40 hours. But in this course, we are targeting like 140 hours. It's close to uh, it's more than 4 times. So that in those 4 months, you are going to be a proficient in being attending this kind of interviews. So yeah, feel free to check into this website skilledcareer.in. In this, if you log in, you could be able to see AI engineering for professionals. You will be getting more details